What's going on, guys? Eric with the Wisco guys, and today's video we're gonna be working on the F-150. So, you don't know, this is my 2025 Ford F-150 red cab short box 4-wheel drive. We need to make the exhaust flow a little bit better. It's got the stock exhaust on it right now, fully stock, nothing going on with it. Sounds all right, but we can do better. So one, we have a muffler from Speed Engineering that's gonna go on the truck, and we did high flow catalytic converters from SPD. So we're gonna get these items on. We're gonna free up some power, free up some noise, and we're gonna do SPD high flow cats with the Speed Engineering side exit cat back. This is gonna be freaking loud. We may change it up in the future, but for today we're gonna be loud and proud. So let's get to it.
It's bigger than 15 on this side. But it is 15. Well, that's some shit.
Alright, so I got a trans jack, well, a screw jack. I'm gonna hold the transfer case up so the engine and trans don't come down when we pull this cross member.
Yeah, what do you want to do? Do you want to just cut it right here with the blade?
We can.
Because then it wouldn't rip it, you know?
Yeah, that'd be good. Got her out. Alright, so I think next is get this loose.
Yep.
Then we get the O2s loose, and then the
From the 15 from the top.
Yeah.
Or is that a 13?
It was a 15 because I had another clamp on the exhaust, so it was 15.
Okay.
So getting the O2 sensors unplugged. We're on the passenger side. I think the driver side's gonna be a little trickier. It's kind of blind, but yeah. Be careful because we break that stuff. We are dead in the water.
Yeah, I'll try that. Motherfucker is hot.
Yep. Alrighty, so Y pipe with cats is down. We took the trans mount off the transmission, and now we're gonna start piecing together the SPD.
Slide that on first. Alright. Ouch. The two pieces are butted together?
Yep.
Make sure you put the stud right next to, like, facing in the fan. I think you're good.
Actually,
Why?
no reason, because that should be where it is.
Yeah.
So now we can tighten it.
Yeah, that just goes where it goes.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, now the fronts.
Did you take your granite wires off?
No.
Oh, never mind. I thought that was loose. There's just a hole there. Yes.
Remember, this whole cab was off.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Ben.
He did it the easy way this time.
He did it the easy way. I'll
'Cause
give
the,
you a
the,
ride-
the
ride
first
this.
one he didn't take the cab off, did he?
He bent the radiator.
Oh, really?
Working over it, yeah. They had to replace the radiator after a little while.
Alright. Damn good deal.
No. Speed. Fuck. We're putting the Speed Engineering muffler on now. This thing's gonna be freaking loud.
Alright, so there's that. Now we need that hanger for there. Or it's a clamp and a hanger, right?
Well, this is one part. everything. Been running for 10 minutes now. So SPD, we want to bring it up to 2,500 RPMs. Hold it for 2 minutes at 2,500, and then we're gonna let it cool down all the way. So, and then we're gonna drive it for 5 miles and then see where we're at after. So we're letting it cool down for a little bit here. We switched from these flaps, like little guard things, to the Ford Performance ones. So got those in. We're gonna let it cool off, for a little bit, and then we're gonna take it for a drive for about 5 miles, and then we're good to go after that. All right. So truck's cooled down. Now we gotta lightly drive it for 5 miles. Ain't too bad so far. Oh god, this is loud. So got 8.5 miles on her, so we are broken in. Holy fuck, I'm getting pulled over. Fully getting pulled over.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it sounds kind of good. I mean, it's loud.
It's loud. But in the cab, it's just like drone city.
Is it bad?
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
I can see that.
So I might switch back to the stock one after a little while.
Yeah.
So what RPM he won't do it. It'll be like 3. I felt the puff of exhaust just go. That's pretty
I
gnarly.
can feel it right here.
Yeah. It's a little loud. Well, I might be switching back to the stock one. Maybe I'll just get rid of the resonator.
Yeah, you can do that.
Yeah.
Like it's loud, but I don't totally hate it. I also don't have to drive it.
Yeah.
It's gonna be nuts. I'm gonna get into it a little bit here. Tomahawk. Might be changing it up a little bit, but we'll see. Alrighty, so later in the day, got back and got the truck all cleaned up for the car show tomorrow. We're going to Tomahawk, Wisconsin, with the truck. So wanted to do the exhaust. We wanted to do the exhaust before we left. We got it on, looking pretty good. It's loud. We're gonna definitely change it. I'm gonna get pulled over, and I don't want to get pulled over, so we're gonna figure something else out. I might just about a week from now just put the stock exhaust on with the SPD catalytic converters and just go with that for a little while. I do want to do like an active exhaust, loud when I want, quiet when I want, so we'll figure that out later. But we got it ready for Tomahawk. We're heading down, and we're gonna check out the show, and that'll probably be the next video. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. Definitely subscribe to the channel. Have a good day or night or whatever you're having. See you guys. Bye.